did you come from, and why is there a tunnel in the cave?
Well, I am...
You are a futuristic robot-trained teenager from which you left this tunnel, which is called the Futuristic Zone, and you are the leader of this zone. And by the way, you are an orphan, but you live with your grandmother Stella, and you also have artistic talent, and you offend the stars.
Is this true? You are the leader of this zone?
Yes, she guessed right. I'm a futuristic robot-trained teenager.
This is cool. My name is Kay.
I'm Alf.
I'm Jenny.
And I am Maxie.
Nice to see you, Kay, Alf, Jenny, and Maxie. My name is Anastasia Soundstar, for everyone just Nastya.
And we are glad to see you, Nastya. In honor of this, I shake your hand in honor of the Day of Greetings.
Can I meet other trains? And if anything, I'm ready to help you if needed.
Of course we'll introduce you to them, or it would be nice that you'll be helping us. At least it won't be difficult for us.
Well, Jenny, did you manage to explore the cave?
I succeeded, but not alone.
So, you are our new friend.
Yes, it's me. My name is Nastya.
Well, nice to meet you, and welcome to the world of trains and to our team of train attendants, Nastya.